Hello everyone, welcome back to my Excel page. In this video, I am going to show you Power Query in Excel, what it is, and how you can use it to clean and automate data without writing complex formulas. If you work with Excel regularly, this tool can save you hours of manual work. So we'll start with what is Power Query. Power Query is a built-in Excel tool used to import, clean, transform, and automate data. The best part is whatever steps we do once, Excel remembers them and next time we just need to click refresh option. So I'll be attaching this Excel file in my YouTube videos and you can use it for practice. Now we should know why you should use Power Query. Power Query is useful when you clean messy data and when we have to combine multiple files, which I'm gonna show you in this video actually. And when also you have to compare two sheets and automate monthly reports. It's perfect for beginners and professionals. So guys, we'll go to now I'll show you a folder which we are going to use for this Power Query. So I have already a folders named as retailer and we have data from four different retailers and this one is added later actually and suppose you get a data from your manager with new retailer from different company. So in Power Query it will automatically add the data and you don't need to do all the steps again and again. It will just add in your pivot in your actual data. Let me show you how it works actually. So we'll go back to Excel and I will create a new sheet. So let me show you how we can use Power Query in Excel. So our first step is go to data option. Here we have an option called get data. So we'll click on get data and from file icon we'll go directly to from folder because we have a folder right where our source data is. So I'll click on retailers again and I'll click on open. Now you can see a Power Data, Power Query mode, Power Query page actually. And we have all the four states. We'll go to this part, combine part, and we'll click on drop down icon and we'll next we'll click on combine and transform data because we need to make some transformations in our file. I'll show you how we can do that. So we'll click on combine and transform data and now it's loading. So once you will click on data option here, you're gonna see your data here. Due to some limitations, it's not showing size limits, it's not showing the complete part. So once you click on OK part, you're actually gonna see your data for all the three folders in a single one. So this is how my Power Query data looks. And you can cross check from this icon, drop down icon, you can see actually from all the four retailer, Costco, Target, Walgreens, Walmart. Great, right? So we'll click on OK. Now I'm gonna show you some transformations. First, if we don't need this first column, we can remove this from this part. We'll click on remove column part and we'll click on first. See, it's gone. Now we can make some transformations in this columns, all the columns. So let me show you how to add a new column. So for example, we have here a payment date and we have an order date. So suppose if you need to know that how many days are required for the payment. So we need to subtract it right from payment date minus order date. So let me show you how we can get the how many days required for a payment. So we'll click on this part, payment column, and using the help of control key, we'll click on order date. And next then we'll go to transform option, and you will see here icon, date icon. We already have a date icon, we just need to click on drop down, and you will see, sorry, yes, we need to go to add column because we need this steps in new column, right? So we'll go to add column part, and then we'll click on date part. Sorry for my mistake. So I'll click on date part, and then we'll click on subtract days. So these days will be subtracted in a new column actually. Look, and we can rename it now. Days required for payment. Look, we have the subtracted days from the order date now in a new column. Let me show you one more to make it more clear. So suppose if you want to, find the revenue for all the retailers. So we have a column called price per unit and units sold. And once we click multiply both the column, we'll get the revenue part, right? So we'll do the same thing. We'll click on price per unit. Using the control key, we'll click on unit sold. And we are already in a add column part. So we need to look for multiplication option, multiplication. So see, look, we have here add, subtract, multiply. So we'll click on multiply part, and we have a new column with revenue added. So what we are going to do here is we need to rename this column as revenue part. And we have an option to change the format. It's in 1.2 format, so we need to click. Once we click on this, it's in actually decimal number format. Now if you want to convert into currency format, so we just need to click on currency part. So we have the data here. Now same we can change this one, price per unit. So price per unit format is also changed now. Now I'm going to show you more transformations, like suppose we want to split this column, this west region column and state column, we can split it into separately. So what we'll do is we're going to click this column and we'll go to our transform option. Now we have icon, split column icon, right? And this is the column through which we can split both the part. So we need to split it by delimiter. Once you click on it, see if we have a dash option here, and we need to add one more dash because in our actual column we have two dash. And look, it worked. Both the column are separated now, and now we can name them easily as region, and second one is state. So I think we are pretty much done with all the transformations, and you can do more as per your requirement. Now what we'll do is we are done with all the transformation. We'll just go to home option and we'll click close and load. Once you click on that option, you will come back to your Excel part, and look, we have all our data combined from all the three retailer folders. Four actually. Look, we have all the four retailer: Costco, Target, Walgreens, Walmart. Now my all the four different folders are in a single Excel file, and we can use pivot on this. Let me show you how to use pivot. So I'll go to insert option. I'll go to pivot table. It's actually a table. It is already named as retailer 2. Retailer 2 because I have used this previously. So it's coming in my system as retailer 2. Now I'll click on OK option for pivot. See, I got my pivot. Let me show you the data. So I'll put retailer in rows column, and suppose if I want to check revenue for all 4 retailers, I'll click on revenue part and I'll send them to values. See, I got the revenue. Now suppose I want to see for a particular beverage brand, put the brand column into columns. Look, we got the revenue for all 4 retailers. I hope this video helped you in getting a bit knowledge about Power Query. You can comment with me. You can comment on my videos for no more tips. And suppose if you have any doubt, you feel free to comment on my video. Thank you guys everyone. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more such videos and like my Excel, follow my Excel page for more Excel tricks and tips. Thank you everyone.